In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the COS function in Excel. To get started, open Microsoft Excel and head into a blank worksheet or any spreadsheet where you want to work with trigonometric calculations. The COS function is a built-in Excel formula that returns the cosine of an angle, and it's especially useful in mathematics, engineering, and physics. If you need to calculate directional values, waves, rotations, or other angle-based measurements, this function can save a lot of time. The basic syntax is very simple: equals COS, then a number inside parentheses. In other words, COS number. That number represents the angle in radians. This detail is extremely important because Excel does not expect angles in degrees when using the COS function directly. So before you start typing formulas, remember this key note: Excel uses radians, not degrees. If your angle is in degrees, you need to convert it first. There are two common ways to do that. You can use the radians function, like radians angle, or you can multiply the angle by pi divided by 180, like angle pi 180. Both methods convert degrees into the radian value that Excel needs. Let's look at a simple example using degrees. If you want the cosine of 60 degrees, type COS radians 60 while Excel will return 5. This works because the radians function converts 60 degrees before the COS function evaluates it. This is the safest and clearest way to work when your source values are in degrees. Now here's an example using radians directly. If you type COS 1, Excel calculates the cosine of 1 radian. This is helpful when your data is already stored in radians and you don't need to convert anything first. You can also create a small cosine table in Excel. For example, if you list angles such as 0, 30, 60, and 90 in cells down a column, you can use a formula like COS radians A2 next to the first value and then fill it down. The results would be 1 for 0 degrees, about 0.866 for 30 degrees, 0.5 for 60 degrees, and 0 for 90 degrees. This is a great way to compare values quickly and build reusable worksheets. One of the most common mistakes is entering degrees directly into COS without converting them. If you do that, your result will be incorrect because Excel will treat the number as radians. So always convert degree-based values with radians first. And one quick tip to remember: sin is often used for vertical components, while COS is commonly used for horizontal components. That's how to use the COS function in Excel.